get the squishy balls, and they have a light ball. Light ball.
So what's this? What's this?
What's there?
It's a this one?
Cow.
It's a cow. How about this one?
Panda.
It's panda. How about this one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. This one?
Bear.
Bear. A polar bear. This one?
Yeah. Zebra.
A zebra.
And
What
the
else?
and the pig and there's the baby. There's a small one.
Where's the pig? Small pig.
Right here.
The pig. There's the pig. How about this one? What's this?
Oh, right down here.
What's that? What's this?
A sheep.
A sheep.
A goat.
And how about this one?
A goat.
Which one?
A goat.
Is that a goat?
Yeah.
It's a goat.
Oh, the pig fell off again. Oh, there's another.
How about this one? You know what's this? Yeah.
The walrus. A baby panda. Giraffe again. Oh, this
Nice, right? Why
I like the pig because
the pig? You like the pig?
yes, because
Small pig. Hi, Kuya, what's that? What's that, Kuya? It's BB-8, Star Wars, Action Alarm Clock. Yeah? Can you show mommy how you do it? How
it's
this
a clock.
Yeah, it's a clock.
Where do you?
Look at it. It's so cool. It's so cool. How about this one? This is R2D2.
Look! Oh, look! 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 You can open it.
You finally open it. So what's the time? I think it's not right because this one is 6:31 in the morning. It's not set.
Oh, you can open it.
Mm-hmm.
Remove it.
So cool. How about this one? You like mommy to help you? No, of course not. Of course you can do it. How about this one?
Just
It's R2D2. Also, wow!
cute. He's so cute.
Cool. Cool, right?
He has his wheels.
Has wheels. Yeah, that's why he's moving around. He can move around. Let me see. Look. Very good. Nice one.
What?
What's that?